nation, we will never forget the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. But we also won't forget how quickly our teams were mobilized, working around the clocks to stabilize and restore our main roads. Welcome to The Explainer. I'm Rasheedah, your host, and today we're breaking down what the GO program is and how it helps to improve road conditions across Jamaica. So ready, set, and go. Now, what is the GO program? This program was initiated in response to the damages caused to the roads by the rains associated with Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. Why was the GO program introduced after Hurricane Melissa? A number of roads were left badly damaged, while others had embankment failure and required detailed designs. In order to reduce continuous deterioration and discomfort in using the main roads, a patching program, GO, was conceived and subsequently rolled out. Is the GO program limited to Kingston, or does it cover the entire island? Now, the program targets all main roads in all the parishes in Jamaica. How is the GO program different from REACH and SPARK? Well, this is a very interesting question. Now, the program is targeting main roads and is geared towards patching. REACH targeted all roads, both main and community roads, while SPARK is rehabilitation and reconstruction projects. Why does Jamaica have multiple road rehabilitation programs? Roads have differing levels and types of issues that require varying type of interventions. In some cases, rehabilitation is required. In other cases, routine maintenance in the form of patching is all that is necessary in order to make driving comfortable and add to the life of the corridor. How are roads selected under the GO program? They are selected based on the main road schedule, level of damage, and frequency of use by road users. How quickly can repairs be carried out after damage occurs? This is a function of many things, chief of which is the availability of financial resources. Also to be considered is the nature of the work and how quickly the procurement process can be completed once funding has been identified. What challenges affect emergency road rehabilitation? Pulling all things together sometimes takes time and can pose logistical issues such as equipment location and personnel to execute the actual plans. How does the GO program improve resilience against future disasters? Now, this program is geared to treat with conditions that manifested themselves due to the increased rainfall. It was never conceptualized as a program for reconstruction, which is where resilience would arise. So there you have it. The GO program improves conditions to our main roads through targeted response and stabilization. And now you know just how it fits into the bigger picture. This has been The Explainer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, follow us on all our social media platforms at MEGID_JM. That's MEGID_JM. I'm Rasheedah. Catch you later.